kids, this is Nadia Ma'am from Artbeat and welcome back to Artbeat Online Art Sessions and welcome to this month's theme, which is Incredible India, wherein I'm really excited to work on this month's theme because it is one of my most favorite thing which I love to draw. Because I'm a proud Indian, of course, everyone are proud Indian here. Well, I really love to work on the monuments and the places in India which most of the people love to visit from all over the world. And India is always rich in its culture and tradition, so I love our Indian tradition and Indian culture, and most of all, I always follow the same. Okay, and I hope my students are doing the same thing. If not, please adopt and please know about our culture and tradition from generation to generation we are following. Okay, and let's talk about worksheets. Huh? Let's not waste time in this because we will have a lot of time in our class to talk about this, right? Okay, so in our worksheet one, what we'll be doing is we will be drawing a Taj Mahal. So I guess everyone in this world knows about Taj Mahal because it is one of the seven wonders in the world. So it's really a beauty, isn't it? I haven't seen Taj Mahal, but yes, I love Taj Mahal. Just by seeing in pictures and drawing it, I seriously am in love with Taj Mahal. But hoping that I'll see that one day. Let's come back to the worksheet. So here you will be learning about the shapes and the lines and how to give the lighter shades because Taj Mahal is completely made up of white marble, so we have to give that kind of effect when we are doing it with our color pencils. So please follow the instructional video which is given by us and please do the same thing. And if you have any doubt, you can always reach us through Google Classroom. Talking about some interesting facts, yes, Taj Mahal, it has been built by 22,000 of laborers. Wow, isn't that an interesting fact? Like when I heard this, I was really shocked and surprised. Like, oh my God, so much of people, like 22,000, really? Okay, and also it has been taken 17 years to build Taj Mahal. I was like, oh my God, 17 years. It's really a huge time span where 22,000 have worked together and built some wonder of the world. It was really awesome. So coming back to worksheet 2, we will be drawing a Lotus Temple. Yes, I hope that everyone almost here knows about Lotus Temple. Well, in here, the temple is built in a lotus shape. Well, when I saw that, it was really wonderful. But seriously telling, I have never seen any of these wonders. I haven't seen Taj Mahal and I haven't seen Lotus Temple. I seriously wish to go sometime, but hopefully it will happen soon. And when we are talking about the lotus temple, we have to make sure that we are giving the lotus shape properly and the shades because the whole temple is in a form of a lotus, like how the flower blooms. So it is in the form of that. And follow all the instructions given in the video. Now let's not waste the time. Let us quickly get back to the worksheet.
So in this worksheet, we're going to need our scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener and our 2 micron pens, that is 0.5 and 0.1. Okay, and make sure that you write your name and teacher's name on top of your worksheet. So let's begin with our Taj Mahal. So I'm drawing a horizontal line and wherein I'm just taking all the measurements to draw the Taj Mahal, and it has to be equal in both left hand side and the right hand side because it is just the same. So if you just divide it in the middle and if you see everything is same, whichever is there in your left hand side, it is similar to the right hand side. So you have to make sure that you draw it in the same line, length, width and the same pace. Okay, there should be no difference. If there is a small difference, it could be easily seen and it makes our drawing imperfect. So here I am just making the sketch very light so that I could erase off if there is any mistakes. And also one more important thing is when you're drawing the window, you have to make sure that you're drawing it in the same line and the same width. You have to maintain that consistency for all the parts in the Taj Mahal. Okay, so once we finish our rough sketch of the Taj Mahal, then we will take our micron pen and then we will outline it and then we will erase all our pencil marks. Hope you know this tiny details, but still I'm just informing you. And make sure even the tomb will come in the same blend. Okay, now I'm just outlining it and erasing all the pencil marks. Now as it is done, I'm just taking the micron pen and I am using the stippling method to give the effect, because as we all know that Taj Mahal is made up of white marble, so we are just giving that kind of effect using our micron pen. Okay, make sure you use the same method. It is a stippling method, as you all know, and we have practiced in all our classes in our warm-up sessions. So we are following the same thing, same stippling method all over the place in Taj Mahal. Wherever there is a high value, we are giving a darker shade. Wherever there is a low value, we're not touching that part. I'm sorry. Make sure that you follow the shadow effects and the darker value and the lighter value as same as I'm doing, and I'm just coloring the bushes using the color blocking method. Okay, so make sure you practice the same, and remember, art is always a good start. See you in the next session. Bye bye.